Hi, want to know how to enable or disable sleep mode on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE? So, as a first step, swipe down 2 times to open the control center and here swipe once left. Here we would be able to see this button which is named modes, and by clicking on it you will get this list with all available modes. We are looking for the sleep mode and it's right here. Click on it to enable it, and after this animation the sleep mode will be enabled. Sleep mode is disabling all of the disturbing factors, which is notifications and calls, so you can sleep peacefully. And now to turn off the sleep mode, we would need to go back to the same page in the control center and click on this circle once more. Also, if you would like to make some changes to the settings of this mode, hold your finger on this mode button, then here choose sleep, and here you would be able to take a look on the settings. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.